Let's do it.
What is up, world of YouTube? Hey, Justin ATV here with you. We have ourselves an Amazon tool haul. Getting right to it. First one. I did order it off of Amazon, but they also have a website, a mobile supply distributor. Get this old knife out here. It's a little nippy in the garage today. Turn around, got this little fire going, it just ain't warmed up yet. First thing, OEM Tools. This is their 4-piece seal and O-ring removal set. Of course, it's me. It's got to be lime green. Right here's your part number. That is 25429. Picked it up, $9. Free shipping. Can't beat that. They do have the lifetime warranty. You got 2 short ones, 2 long ones. Kind of not rocket science. We all know what them's for. Getting in there in them little O-ring seals, or just different areas. Or they got the nice rounded tip on them, no sharp edges, because you may be able to reuse that seal that you're trying to remove. So, well, next, and let's see. Got some channel locks, part number 558. This is an 8-inch hose pliers. They are made in America. Of course, kind of see how. I'm trying to keep the glare off of it for y'all. But get that out of there. It actually looks like this set's been open, used. I might have to call them on that. But anyway, this is for hose clamps. It's got the different jawed, or teeth jawed. Then here, like you get your, the little rings. And each side's got 1 prong sticking off. You usually try grabbing your fingers, hurts like hell. Anyway, it'll sit in that. And the other end comes through this. Or you can use, do a regular radiator hose. Picks with that. Man, them teeth are pretty sharp. They're pretty deep in there. First set of channel locks I've bought in quite a while. Thanks, MD Lee, for all your channel lock videos there. I know some people give you some crap about them or whatever, but hey, man, when you find a good brand, you find a good brand. I'll try to leave a link to his channel up here in the description, or this little icon here, and down in the description as well. Let's see. Yeah. Oh, sorry. I picked the channel locks up for around $20 on Amazon. A couple of USB Type-C charging cables. They're braided. They actually look pretty nice. 2 different lengths. I want to say one is a 3-footer and the other is a 6. And I think those ran me about $9 for a twin pack. And I can use this for my GoPro if I'm using it as a dash cam. or even out here doing these videos. I can leave it plugged up, not worry about my battery going dead. And also, I can use it to charge my little snap-on flashlight here. That takes Type-C. And there's some cell phones going to it. Next one here. Ta-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta. Okay. Oh, I know what this is. This is the Irwin Hansen set, made in USA. Multi-spline extractor set. 25 piece. Comes with your little, wow, somebody really dropped this thing. Yeah, 25 piece. I got these on Amazon. I want to say it was $52. Try to get this up here. You'll see a little better. There's a lot of sizes in there, fellers. But we all know if this box was red, this would be $300. This exact set I seen on the GearWrench SK tool truck, and he was asking, I think it was $95. Same thing, got off Amazon for $52. And also, I got the Irwin bolt grip deep well extractors, 5 piece. I picked these up for $20 on sale. I'm sorry, back it up. $30. They were $20. And I hauled around and they went up to $25, and I was like, maybe they'll drop back down. Nope. They went up to $30, so I grabbed them right then. These are made in USA as well. Excuse me. But Irwin Hansen. If you can't tell, I kind of like the Irwin extractor set stuff pretty good. So set that over here somewhere as I knock the stand over. Get that box out of the way. And our final box. And I believe I done know what's in this one. And why they sent it in such a big box, I have no idea. Because from the picture, well, ain't that nice. Now I see why they sent such a big box. Get this up here. Okay. Oop. Try to turn it where you can't see it. Alright. Everybody knows you get on the Snappy truck, and everybody's looking for the shallow sockets, the shallow ratchets. They want $200 or plus for something that who knows when you're going to use it. Yes, they're nice to have for those in-case purposes and such forth, but why are we going to spend over $200, $250 for a set of, you know, very shallow, low profile sockets and a ratchet? And fellers, that's either just the SAE or just the metric. And that's not both. Okay. I seen, I want to say it was Power Torque or Power or something. Anyway, it looked identical to the snap-on set. I do mean identical, all the way to what the sockets were held in. But you either got the SCE or the metric. Well, they were $40. Okay, now we're talking more of, hey, you know, good price, good deal for something that we may or may not ever use, or if you do know, you know, that you're going to use, or you do know you got those situations, you know, that's $40 very well worth spent. Well, I got digging a little bit more, and I found this set. Try and keep this glare off of it, fellers. I'm sorry. This is from Mastergrip. I don't believe I've really heard of them, but down here is your 3/8. There's a ratchet right here. Here's your SAE. Here's your metric. Here's your 1/4 inch ratchet. 1/4 inch. SAE. And down here's your metric. Guys, $35. And I got 3/8 and 1/4 inch drive. And both come with SAE and metric. And I am going to go ahead and open this up, because I kind of can't wait till after the video to see what they're like. I want to put my hands on them. Real quick, before we go any further, here's the part number, 870696. And let's see here. They are made in Taiwan. Yeah, we all know there's good and bad that come out of Taiwanese stuff. Kind of looking here real quick. You will see me unpackage it. I've not had time to rehearse or anything. They're sold by All Trade in Long Beach, California there. It's www.alltradetools.com. Guys, I'm not seeing anything about a warranty, but there is a Force Service number here if I can get the thing in the blessed picture. Well, also right here it says imported by Costco Wholesale Corporation. You may be able to pick them up at Costco cheaper than I got them off of Amazon. I don't know if it's a 1-year warranty, no warranty, lifetime. I have no idea, guys. It doesn't say, but hey, it was $35 for, you know, all this. Nice little case. Just keep it out of the way. Latch is a little cheap. They could have went a little better with it, but it still closes it pretty nice. It's got that secure lock, you know when it's locked there. Yeah, there's 72 tooth. It does have the push button for releasing the sockets. Let me see here. That's on. Guys, it's even set right. I'm not believing this. In the off position. Turning, taking it off. There's on. Let's see. Yeah, it does kick a little bit. But, here's a snap-on FH80. It's not a whole lot thinner, but I'm going to say 1/8 of an inch, maybe a little more than 1/8 of an inch, but still, that right there could save your butt in some spots. 1/4 inch. That's nice, smooth little ratchets. They're held in with the snap ring design. 1/4 inch even has the socket release button. Snap on 1/4 inch. Now that in there is only about 1/16 of an inch difference. So, but I'm comparing it here to the THL72. But yeah, that's the same. It's 72 tooth. The snap-on one is definitely smoother, but anywho, let me pop out a good old 15 millimeter. Grab a 15 millimeter down here. I'm going to compare the 3/8 drives. I've got them both resting on my thumb there. And just how much difference, how much space saving, getting in them real tight spots if you need to. But yeah, guys, I myself, I didn't think it was bad. Price it all for 3/8 and the 1/4 inch, and you get in both SAE and metric in both sizes. In the 1/4 inch, SAE goes from 5/32, 3/16, 7/32, 1/4 inch, 9/32, 5/16, 11/32, 3/8, 7/16. You don't see that a whole lot in these 32nds. Down the metric, you got 4 millimeter, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. They're not skipping any sizes there. 3/4 inch drive, you have 3/8, 7/16, 1/2 inch, 9/16, 5/8, 11/16, and 3/4. Down here in the metric, you have got 10, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, and 18. They did skip the 11 millimeter on the 3/8 side. That's kind of a bummer. But still, you got the 1/4 inch up here in 11 millimeter, so it's not the end of the world. But guys, that is going to be my Amazon tool haul today for you all. So, like this video right down there, a little thumb, see it right down there, yeah. Then over there's a subscribe button. Click it if you haven't already done that. And I appreciate y'all for watching and stopping by, and I really do. Hey, you all have a good one. This is Justin ATV, and we'll catch you in the next one.